In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly splice your video clip inside of Adobe Premiere. So we begin. I have a video clip on the timeline, and the tool that I'm going to want, well, first thing is I can grab the playhead and move back and forth and decide where it is that I want to split this. So I can come on in and maybe decide that I'm going to start right about here. Let's say I have a place where I pause. So right here. Excellent. So I have the playhead right there. I come on over to my tools, I grab my razor, and I click and I split. Okay, another thing that I want to show you here is we can actually make the footage smaller and larger. Sometimes if we're really trying to focus in and go frame by frame, we might want to make it larger, and then if we have a lot of footage, we may want to make it smaller. So now I can come and I can grab my selection tool and I can click on off and hit delete. I can grab my footage and pull it and move it where it needs to be. Another thing that I'd like to show you here is as we move on through and we come on in and we come closer in towards the end of this all. And again, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay. That we can also move frame by frame. This is what's really powerful in Adobe Premiere, because sometimes there might just be a little piece of a frame that we want to get rid of. So for instance, maybe I want to end right where the hands come down, so I can go frame by frame by frame, moving on through. They stop about there. Okay, so I'm going to go right until the end. Now as this hand starts to move up a little bit, I'll begin and I'm going to go back one and I'm going to split it there. Again, one more time, grabbing the razor, coming on in, lining it up with the playhead, clicking, and then in order to delete, grabbing my selection tool, clicking, delete. There we have it. Thanks so much. Again, we can do the same with audio as well, just working with the razor tool. Thanks.